Baada ya miezi ya tetesi za uhamisho, hatimaye kiungo mshambulizi wa Yanga Sports Club Stefan Aziz Ki anakwenda kujiunga na miamba wa Morocco Wydad Casablanca. Kupitia machapisho ya Morocco, klabu hizi mbili zimefikia makubaliano na kukamilisha usajili huo. Aziz mwenye umri wa miaka 29 alijiunga na Yanga Sports Club mwaka 2022 na kuibuka kiungo bora aliyevutia klabu nyingi kama vile Mamelodi Sundowns, Orlando Pirates na Kaizer Chiefs. Ikumbukwe vizuri, mwanzoni mwa mwaka jana, Wydad Casablanca walimuinda sana Aziz Ki, ila juhudi zao hazikuweza kufua dafu, kwani bado Aziz Ki alikuwa na jukumu la kuendelea kuwatumikia wananchi. Kupitia ukurasa wake wa Instagram, Aziz Ki ameweza kupost jumbe ndefu ya kuaga na kutoa shukrani kwa Yanga Sports Club na wananchi wote kwa ujumla. Whoever said goodbyes are painful, he sure knew what he was talking about. My heart is heavy as I share with you the official news of my departure from the club of my heart, Yanga Sports Club. This is more than just leaving a club. I'm saying goodbye to a home, to a family, and to a chapter that shaped the man and player I am today. Yanga gave me purpose. Yanga gave me a second home. And Yanga even gave me a beautiful wife. Akimzungumzia Hamisa Mobeto hapa. I arrived with a dream, but I live with a lifetime of memories. Together we achieved greatness, from lifting trophies to conquering Africa, rewriting the club's history and making every fan proud to wear the green and yellow. We stood tall during the highs, and we stood together during the lows. But through it all, one thing never changed, our spirit. Daima mbele nyuma mwiko is not just a mere statement. These are the words that carried us, bonded us, and reminded us that we are warriors built for greatness. I am carrying that spirit with me wherever I go. This mentality of victory, of never giving up, of always moving forward, is now a part of me forever. To Mr. GSM, our beloved pillar. To my brother, Anthony Mavunde, thank you for everything. To Engineer Hersi, our president and tireless leader. To my coach, the entire young staff, my brothers on the pitch, the players, and most of all, to the incredible fans. Thank you so much. Asanteni sana kwa upendo na mchango wenu. You cheered me on, you believed in me, and you made me feel like one of your own. I will never forget the chants, the celebrations, the sea of fans at the Benjamin Mkapa Stadium and every other stadium that we played at. I carry you all in my heart. I carry you all in my heart. This is not the end, just a new beginning. Yanga will forever be a part of me, a part of my story, a part of my soul. Until we meet again, daima mbele, nyuma mwiko, Aziz Ki. #KSA10, #ToJuasPositiveAir. Posti na dakika 24 toka iweze kupostiwa na imepata likes 19.5 na comments zaidi ya 2900. So inaonyesha ni ishara gani Watanzania na vile vile mashabiki wa Yanga watamiss sana kiungo Stefan Aziz Ki. All the best Aziz Ki, till we meet again.